Hello, beautiful. Welcome to your quick breathwork practice for manifestation. This is for my humans that want to put a little bit more energy to their goals, to their dreams, to the things that they desire. Go ahead and set up your space for a safe, comfortable practice to go within. You can do this practice laying down, sitting up on your butt. You can maybe put a pillow or a bolster or blocks in between your legs and kneel on your knees. Just get comfortable. That is what is really going to enhance the power of this practice. Let's begin. Let's start by taking 3 grounding deep breaths, breathing in through your nose and releasing it out of your mouth. In through your nose. Exhaling it all out through your mouth. One more in through your nose. And let it all go out of your mouth. If you haven't already, go ahead and close your eyes or bring your eyes to a soft gaze. Bring your attention to whatever it is that you want to manifest. Now it's time to check in and get real with ourselves. What is one limiting belief that you have when it comes to making this manifestation happen? Maybe it's that you don't have enough money or you don't have enough time. Maybe you feel like you don't have enough knowledge or experience. What is the limiting belief that is in the way of you making your manifestation come true? By actively choosing to let go of our limiting beliefs, negative thoughts, fears, and doubts, we are laying the foundation for our manifestation to take place. Now that you've identified the limiting belief that's blocking you, let's release it. Today, we'll be doing a 2-part breath where you breathe in through your nose and you release out of your mouth. Let's begin. Breathing in through your nose, filling up your belly and your chest, and exhaling it all out of your mouth. Inhale, filling up your body. Exhale, releasing it all. Breathing in, releasing. In, out. Inhale, release it. In, out. You're doing so amazing. Keep going at that pace on your own. And remember, this breath work is here to help you release and process any thoughts or beliefs or doubts that are getting in the way of you taking the next step to make your manifestation happen. So on every exhale, I encourage you to release with a sigh or a noise, or maybe you have a pillow that you want to scream into next to you. We really want to release what's no longer serving us. In, out. In, out. Breathing in and out. In, out. One more together. In, and release it all out of your mouth. Amazing job. You killed that. Now let's release some tension from our body. Shake it out a little bit. Loosen up your arms. Move your neck around. Maybe you want to hold yourself a little bit, tap your body out. Where is the tension? And when you're doing this, really practice using your intuition. Don't judge yourself too hard. Don't think too hard about this. Just move however your body wants you to move. Really feel the energy flow freely through your body and imagine you releasing any stagnant energy. All right, we're on our last step, and this is my favorite one. this is where we get to visualize and really feel into the feeling of what it will be like when we get that manifestation. So let's come back to stillness and reconnect with our breath. Here, we'll just breathe at a normal, natural pace. Bring to mind the manifestation we've been focusing on today. What does life feel like now that you have this manifestation? How has it enhanced your life? Envision yourself in the exact spot of receiving your manifestation. What are you feeling? Let down your walls and receive what it feels like to be in that manifestation, and let that feeling vibrate throughout your entire body. Did you feel anything? If yes, then that is all you need to know that your manifestation is on its way to you. You wouldn't be able to feel it if you weren't meant to have it, if you didn't already have it in another reality. Now let's seal in this beautiful practice by bringing your arms all the way up over your head, using your hands at the top to really clasp and hold your manifestation, bringing it down to your heart, thanking yourself for showing up to this practice today, trusting the process, and letting it go. Thank you for your time and energy today. Congratulations on receiving your manifestation.